Hello guys! Hindi mo na ako salamin. So, yun. Kadarating ko lang dito sa bahay and English yun ka kaya. I just got home from work. English yan lipstick lang ako, not really makeup kasi kumain ako sa nawala yung lipstick ko. And, wait a minute! Kamalaglag ka na. Where's my... Lagay na tayo ng lipstick. Ayan, may lipstick na tayo. Okay, tuloy na natin. Medyo napapatagal. So, what you will need to make it comfort. So, syempre depende sa gagawin niyo. Ako, kailangan ko iPhone. So, may mga Apple ako dito from my lola house. So, what I did is, you will need water, and then you will need Mirabelle. More than that, syempre, masarami pa dapat natin. You will need apples. I have a lot of apples in here. So, you need to take out the seed of the apple. So, ito na yung apples. Ngayon, ano na natin siya. Atin ng banlawan. Sobrang konting lang. Here. Baligtad pa. Banana. I think two big apple yung ginamit ko, tapos dalawang banana. But I think tatadagan ko po yung apple. I'm not sure. So, ito yung apple, banana, and canel with sobrang konting tubig. And dito, apple, Mirabelle at saka canel. And dito, plain apple lang. And canel din pala. So, ayan guys. So, ang ginagawa ko ngayon guys, ayan na. ko alam kung dadagdagan ko ba siya ng tubig or hayaan ko na lang siyang ganito. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Like, no idea. Sige, kahit pa natin to. So, ito, gumagawa ng compote kasi dadalhin ko sa lolo ni Max. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ba siya. Sobrang sarap niya guys, pero hindi pa siya, hindi pa siya, medyo may buo-buo pa siya eh. So, ayun guys, nasa na ang liwanag. Maliwanag na. Ayun guys, nakakabuang pala gumawa ng compote mag-isa. So, that's how it looks like. Parang siyang lugaw. Cute-cute niya, diba? So, ayun guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram account and like me on Facebook. And sorry guys, I need to stop this now. And now we're on the way, and let's see his reaction. And then yung compote pala guys na ginawa ko kanina na nakita nyo. Okay naman siya. Ang ginawa ko, inino ko siya, shinake ko para mabilis yung pagkakaluto niya. Tapos, after ko shake, ininukuli siya. Tapos, nung mainit na, kumukulo na, nilagay ko na siya sa can. Not can. What do you call that? A jar? Jar? Something like that. Di ko kasi alam tawag nila dito dun eh.
Glass can?
Glass can? Jail? Basta glass can. Ang success na nagawa ko ay yung foam with banana and canel and foam with canel. Ayun, okay naman siya. Papatigan ko siya sa lola ni Mahal. And then, look guys, is pogi, diba? Of course. Change hairstyle. Walang beards. Hindi siya mukhang ano.
Money.
Wala money din. You still look handsome even if you don't have money, don't worry.
Oh? Ça va. I prefer to be handsome and rich.
And rich. What do you prefer, handsome or just rich?
Rich?
You need to choose one lang kasi. Handsome or rich?
Both?
No, one lang.
Je sais pas.
But if you're rich, you look handsome.
That's the problem.
But if you're handsome and you're poor, you're just handsome. It doesn't look like rich.
So you answer the question.
So you prefer being rich?
Well, not so much. Just enough. What do you think about my new camera, Canon G7X? Pain in the ass.
Pain in the ass. Sobrang mahal kasi. Kala mo siya nagbayad eh.
Hello. You living with me?
Yes.
We share.
You will share with me, so you will pay then.
I paid the first one.
Oh, the first one because that's your gift. It's not included
Alright.
Hello. We have half. Half now. You guys heard it. Right. And yeah.
And there you go. Oh. You don't know.
Oh, why?
Because it's it.
Salut, papi!